Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay from Jay's Fantastic. So what? I don't know, but we're doing some sewing over here and some upcycling and some other things. So we're doing a lot over here. So hey y'all, I'm working on my Pinterest board for November, and I know I shared a couple of things with y'all in the video, the last video, but now I'm going to the Goodwill to pick up a couple of more things that I need to complete some of those projects that I was talking about. After I complete those projects, then my plan is to work on my things for the Midwest Affair, and I need to get these things now so that I have them in place. So we're gonna go in the Goodwill and see if I can find. I want to make a halter top out of a shirt, and I want to find a pair of wide leg jeans. I have some at home already, but there are some other ones that I'm kind of like on the lookout for, that's already kind of like wide leg, that I don't have to do too much work to. So that is the plan right now. So supervisor, what you crying about? What you crying about? What you crying about, Winnie? What's the matter, Win? Huh? What's the matter? We gotta get some stuff for the video, okay? Okay? Okay, so mommy gotta go in the store. Hey. Winston. Mommy gotta go in the store and get some stuff, okay? Okay? Yeah. Nope. Oh, you don't. Oh, I think he mad, y'all. I think he don't want me to go in the store, but I gotta go in there. So, here I go. Hey y'all, it's your girl Jay from Jay's Fantastic. So what? I don't know, but we doing a haul over here today. Okay, it is Tuesday, and I know I just uploaded a video on Monday sharing with you my plans, but I just want to do a quick haul before I get started on some of those plans. I went to the Goodwill today, and I found this pink sweater pillowcase. Now, y'all know it's not going to stay a pillowcase. Okay, it came with a pillowcase and with the blanket part. So either it's going to be a cardigan sweater or a skirt and a top. Okay, so that's what I planned on doing with this pink right here. So now, pick it and throw it into the wash, along with everything else I got. I got this iridescent shirt, men's shirt. Okay, I don't know what I want to do with it yet. It's beautiful though. And I did get a blue. It's also kind of like an iridescent bluish purple, I guess you could say. Just a man's shirt. This one's chap. I don't know if it matters what the name is because it ain't gonna stay the same anyway. The other one is a, let's see, Claiborne, 100% cotton. And then I got a black one. Let's see. Who is this? Van Heusen. Okay, I got a black one. And it's got pinstripes. So, yeah. Okay. And then I got this gray taffeta, like, well, gray shower curtain, just one panel. I don't know what I want to do. I have an idea, but I don't want to share it yet, just in case I don't do what I said. So, I do have an idea. And I found these jeans. Now, these jeans ain't for me to wear. They are, who is this? Why? I don't know. Maybe y'all know. Maybe y'all know who that is. I don't, but I like the jeans for the graffiti that's on them, and I plan on cutting them out and adding them to a upcycle. I found 2 pair of jeans that I want to upcycle. I found a Banana Republic wide leg. I found some wide legs, y'all. I found some wide legs. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about it. And then I found some more of a darker shade wide legs, and these are Gloria Vanderbilt jeans, vintage. Okay, a little bit of a wide leg going on there. Gloria knew the thing. She knew what was going on. As y'all know Gloria from a long time ago. And also, I got several ties, all in the shades of green and blue. Okay, so this is my Goodwill haul. Yeah, 2 of them are the same. I'm not going to tell y'all what I planned on doing with these ties, but I'm sharing them right now so y'all can see them. Okay, hold on. Plus I have some ties upstairs, but this is the color palette. Okay, all right, I have like 9 of them, 9 ties. All right, and then I had to stop at Hobby Lobby because I had to get some double-sided and fusible paper because I want to do, like I said, with the graffiti pans, I want to do some decals, and this has it's 2-sided or decals or whatever you want, appliques or whatever you want to use it for, that you need to you know, adhere it to the fabric on one side and adhere it to the applique on the other side, and then iron it onto the fabric. So yeah, and I got that from Hobby Lobby, and I also got, what is this? 4 2/3 yard of this blue taffeta. Yeah, so yeah, I really do like it. I think it's beautiful. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but the holidays are coming. Okay, and I think I got this for my grandson's belt. I have to repair that for him. And I found some buttons for the coat. Okay, Soology buttons. Anything, what is it, $3, $4, $5, $6 and up is $1.99 when you normally buy it, you in that price range. So that's what I got on my haul. I did get a couple of other things that I want to show y'all. Hold on one second. Let me go grab it. Okay. Around this time of the year, Rainbow usually has a nice sale. So I found this mesh dress that I want to wear. It's just a long mesh dress that I can wear shorts on the top, up under. Definitely something up under it. I found this shirt. It is going to be used to cut up and make appliques with. It says Black Queen, Magic Love, Blessed, Melanin. They gonna get this Black Girl Magic today, and Melanin Queen. Okay, so that's what that says. That's gonna be cut up, and it has a crown on it as well. This is also another shirt that I planned on cutting up and adding it, okay, to something. So I'm gonna share those processes with you guys. I found this little skirt. I'm on the hunt for some brown boots because I got that brown fringe upstairs that I shared with you guys, and I want to fringe out some boots for the winter to wear. And so I found this little brown skirt, and I'm not doing Cowboy Carter or nothing like that. I just have a fit that I would like to get prepared. And so I found this little skirt that wraps around you, and it opens up in the front with the buckles. Okay, I think this was like $3. And so were the t-shirts and stuff like that. And then I found this black dress. And oddly enough, it is a large and it fits. So yeah, this little black dress. And I'm going to do something special to it. So stay tuned for that. It's not going to just stay plain, even though it look cute. It look cute, y'all. So could I have made this? Probably so. But it was there for $5. So I bought it. So that's my quick little haul, and as we move into the rest of the week, I will be sharing with you some of the processes that I'm going to be doing outside of those other plans that I shared with you about finishing up my unfinished projects. Okay, I'm gonna be doing that too, because I have all the way up until November to get some things done, because I have some plans for November. So as well, the event that I'm going to, that I want to make my outfits for. Excuse me, y'all. Your girl's thirsty. Whew, because she been running around, just came back from walking the supervisor. And so that's what I wanted to share with y'all today. We're going to get into the videos for the rest of this week, and then I'll upload on Monday all of the projects as I do them. I'll be uploading every day, and then it'll seem like, I got them done throughout the week. And then on Monday when I upload, you'll get to see everything that I worked on and hopefully finish. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to finish everything, but I'm going to finish as much as I can. So I thought I'd share with you guys the things that I got. And as I get into each video, I'll share the idea of what I want to do with each thing that I purchase. Okay? All right. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye. See y'all in the next clip. So, hey, y'all, I think I have completed the pinning ceremony. I mean ceremony, because this was a whole lot of pinning, a whole lot of gathering. And I hope I got it right. I'm going to turn it around and let y'all see all the pinning of the pinning ceremony. Okay, that's just one side. Hold on, y'all. Okay, and that's the other side. Okay, so we're going to go to the machine and try to sew it down and see if it come out right. I don't know if it is. Keep your fingers crossed. I'll tell you all about it when I get done. Okay, you guys, so I don't know what to say. It's kind of big, so I'm gonna have to do some taking in. I haven't put the hem in yet. I don't even know if I want to turn around and show y'all the back. Don't y'all laugh. Get your face ready right now. Get it together before I turn around, okay? Get it together, y'all. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right. So, we're we're going to determine what we got to do to take it in. There's a whole lot of fabric here that's unnecessary. I don't need that much fabric. I don't know what size I made this in, but whatever size it is, it's too big. Okay, so am I going to finish this today? No, I'm not. It's going to be it's going back into my WIP pile. W work in progress pile. It's going back in there for another day. However, I'm going to share. This shirt was in my WIP pile, and I will reveal it by putting it on and sharing it with you guys. So it came out pretty good. Me and the button, we was fighting. We had to duke it out, and yeah, I won. So I'm going to try this on so you guys can see this. And this is going back in the WIP. It was a fail for now. Yeah, I don't know where. I don't know, y'all. Maybe I make the gathers much more tighter or something. Even more tighter than they are. And I'll put a picture up here, remind you of what it's supposed to look like. Y'all, I worked hard on gathering these gathers. These gathers was gathering me. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna come back, but I'm pretty proud of the shirt. It came out really, really well. Sneak peek of what I'm working on next. Make sure you got your notification bell on so you know when I upload the next video. Sneak peek. Sneak peek.